Have you ever gone through the nerve-wracking process of checking your credit score only to be met with a confusing surprise? You see a decent number on Experian, breathe a sigh of relief, then hop over to Equifax and, bam! A score is significantly lower. What in the world is going on? This isn't an uncommon scenario. In fact, it's quite normal for your credit scores to differ between the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Each bureau maintains its own independent credit report on you, and slight variations in the information they collect can lead to discrepancies in your scores. So, why might Experian be showing you a rosier picture compared to Equifax? Let's dive in and crack the code behind these credit score mysteries. Data disparity, the uneven information landscape. Imagine your credit report as a financial autobiography. It details your credit history, including loans, credit cards, payment habits, and public records. But here's the catch: lenders don't necessarily report to all three bureaus equally. Some might report to just Experian or a combination of two. This uneven flow of information creates a situation where your Experian report might be more comprehensive, capturing positive factors like a long history of on-time payments that might be missing from your Equifax report. Scoring models, the apples and oranges of credit scores. There's another layer of complexity. While we often talk about credit scores, there isn't actually one universal score. Each bureau uses its own proprietary credit scoring model, with slightly different weights assigned to various factors impacting your score. So, even with identical information, Experian's model might value your low credit card utilization, the amount of credit you're using compared to your limit, more than Equifax's, potentially boosting your score on Experian. Errors and discrepancies, the credit report gremlins. Let's not forget the possibility of errors lurking in your reports. Inaccurate information, like a missed payment that wasn't yours, can bring your score down. It's crucial to regularly review your reports from all three bureaus and dispute any errors you find. Getting them corrected can significantly improve your scores across the board. The takeaway: monitor all three bureaus. While a higher Experian score might bring temporary relief, remember that lenders can pull your report from any bureau when making credit decisions. So it's important to maintain a good credit standing across all three. Here's what you can do. Obtain your free credit reports. You're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every year. Visit annualcreditreport.com to request yours. Monitor for errors, scrutinize each report for inaccuracies, and dispute any you find. Focus on good credit habits, practice responsible credit behavior, pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low, and don't apply for too much credit at once. These healthy habits will eventually reflect positively in all your credit reports. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.